Greg Shafransky. I'm an IR consultant for Highbank Resources Ltd. The company's a listed company, trades on the TSX Venture under the trading symbol HBK. Our flagship project is the Swamp Point North Quarry. It's located at Tidewater, 72 miles to the north of Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Canada. Our milestones accomplished this year. This month in May, we have gone full circuit. Since last year, we're receiving the permits, we've raised the money to build the quarry. We built the quarry, and we've commissioned it and gone full circuit with deliver the first barge, 4,000-ton barge load to the Port of Prince Rupert. As well, this month we have received a positive preliminary economic assessment (PEA) that values the company at $24 million. That would have been previous to us going in production, and now we're in production. So that's a strong indication going further. And in the last week of this month in May, we have raised $900,000 through a royalty deal with no dilution to the shareholders' equity. Well, Highbank, HBK on the TSX Venture, the venture itself is populated by quite a few junior miners looking for an asset that may lead to production. In the case of Highbank, we are now in production, which makes us stand out from the regular groupings of junior explorers. And more importantly is that we have not joint ventured with any major to take this into production. We've raised the money internally, and we built the mine ourselves, and we are now in production, and hopefully sometimes in the next 18 months we'll be generating free cash flow. We're really looking to Prince Rupert to make hay. That's a center point. There's over $130 billion worth of planned construction there. You've got 4 LNG sites that have been proposed for the area. You've got Exxon, CNOOC, the government of China. You've got BG Spectre just been acquired by Shell, one of the biggest takeovers ever. So the landscape is changing in the port. Now, in recent times, we've received some very positive news about the Petronas going forward. The province of British Columbia and Petronas have agreed upon their taxation. The pipeline has been approved. We look to a big decision. That's a $35 billion project. We look to a big decision for that sometimes by this October. Now, there's 7 major multi-billion-dollar projects located for the Port of Prince Rupert. We've just got the final investment decision for one of them, and that's the expansion to the Fraser View Terminal in Prince Rupert. This is a container port. Built 8 years ago, it's already reached full capacity. It was owned by Deutsche Bank, and now DP World, a group out of Dubai, who owns quite a few container ports across the world, they've acquired it last month, and they are going forward with the final investment decision. But the plan is not to double the capacity, but to triple the capacity by the first half of 2017. So that would be an easy $1 billion plus project, and rule of thumb on a big job like that, 10% of that $1 billion is going to come our way for sand and gravel. You've got to have a strong foundation for whatever you're building. I've said this previously, and I can't understate it. You look at the TSX Venture, it's been trading pretty well flatline since coming off at the end of July. People might as well come out and say it. I'll say it. The market crashed. When you have a 30% correction, when you're going from 1,000 to 500, that is a crash. And we've been flatlining since that. This is like, no one wants to speak about it, but you could never pick a better opportunity. These companies are all undervalued. Buy when it's buying cheap, buy low, sell high. And this is that buying opportunity you should not turn down.